So now what we will do is we will create a very basic C++ program in which simple interest is calculated. So the formula is principal into rate into time divided by 100. So first of all we have to declare three variables which with the names principal, rate, interest, and simple interest SI, and then semicolon, and then we have to type. So prior to it we have to just declare the values. So let's say initialize the variables. So we are assigning 5000 to the principal. Rate would be around 0.1, so that makes it 10%. The interest has to be calculated, but this has to be time. So time equals to, let's say, 3 years, so only 3, and then simple interest is something which we will calculate. So right now it will be 0. So SI equals to, bracket starts, principal into rate into time, bracket close, and then divide by 100, and then semicolon, and then you have to just std colon c out less than symbols, and then si, then semicolon. So basically it will print out the value of this si after calculating principal, rate, and time. So basically after calculating the simple interest. So just to make it clearer, we will include next line element as well. And there you go, we have it. Now we will compile it. So there's an error. There's an error, so we have to rectify it. So what happened is, since rate is equals to 0.1, which is a float type value, because int doesn't support any decimal points. So you have to declare a variable with the float data type. So what we'll do is we'll just remove it from here, and we will just declare it over here. Float rate equals to point, let's say 20%, and semicolon, and then saving it, and then now compiling it. Now it has compiled, and now if we will just see the output, so it will show us 30. So according to it, the value has to be 30, and let's check if that is correct. 5000 into zero point 0.2 would be 1000, and 1000 into 3 is 3000. 3000 divided by 100 is 30. So since the output which we got was 30, then this means that the value has been calculated correctly. So this is how we write any C++ program, which is to say that we had this header file first which was used, and then int main, this with curly bracket starts, which also means that the body of int main function starts over here till the time it's not closed, the curly brackets are not closed. And we declared four variables: principal, time, si, and rate. And after doing that, in this statement we calculated the simple interest by multiplying principal, rate and time and dividing all of them by 100, and then showing the output of SI after the calculation. And after doing that, we just compiled the program and we saw the output. So this was the sample program which was written in C++ language. Thank you for watching the video.